Hello, so in this video I just want to do some quick side-by-sides with the Nokia Lumia 800, and if we bring in an old Desire HD here and put that against it, we should be able to tell some of the size differences for comparison's sake. So you can see the Lumia is almost the same length, just a little bit shorter, not quite as wide either. In terms of thickness, it actually looks a little bit thicker. It's certainly not as wide and feels better in the hand, and in terms of weight the Desire HD is heavier. Let's bring in the BlackBerry Bold 9700, one of the most popular phones on the market over the last few years. So as you can see, in terms of width it's fairly comparable, but length the 9700 is shorter, so the Lumia is bigger overall profile. In terms of thickness, this is then thinner for the Lumia. But then you consider the fact this has got a front-facing QWERTY keyboard as well. Wouldn't be right to not compare it to the Galaxy S2. So here we go. Galaxy S2 is thinner. Nokia does have the benefit of the curved sides. Screen size is considerably different. Of course, we're talking about a 4.3 inch against the 3.7. But overall profile, when laid flat, you can see that the Galaxy S2 isn't actually that much bigger. I mean, there is a noticeable difference, but not as much as you might expect. In terms of weight, the Lumia is heavier. And then finally, the Sensation, or the Sensation XE. So there we go, side by side. Fairly comparable thickness actually. The Lumia's curvature just makes it feel a little bit thicker. In terms of weight, not an awful lot in it. And then overall profiling size, the Lumia shows its sort of squarer design here. Has a similar footprint, albeit the Sensation is just that fraction bit longer because of the larger display. So there we have it. There's a few comparisons of the Nokia Lumia against other popular devices.